Hi there, welcome to our channel. Apple is working on its 9th gen iPad that's gonna be a low cost one, probably under $300. Now that's not a huge price difference if compared to 8th gen iPad which starts at $330. But being cheaper than last year's model, you would suspect that there might be some sacrifices made, maybe in display, design or internals, but that's not the case. Although some might disagree when I say that they're gonna use the same design as the 2019 iPad Air 3, which is not a bad thing. Some people prefer the looks of older iPad Airs compared to the newer ones, as a physical front-facing Touch ID button can be easier for some to use. Also, now that everyone uses mask, it's hard to unlock the device with Face ID, and that's where Touch ID comes in handy. According to Macotakara report, a source from Chinese supply chain has claimed that the low-cost iPad will still retain a 10.2-inch display, but will arrive in a thinner and lighter form factor of 6.3mm and 460 grams. Especially the thickness has reduced a lot, from 7.5mm in 8th gen to 6.3mm in 9th gen. But it's clear that this isn't a total redesign. Apple might just be making a leaner machine. Furthermore, the report claims that it will still feature a Lightning port and not the USB-C connector that's everyone waiting for, along with a Touch ID on the physical home button. The source also adds that the 9th gen iPad will continue to feature a full lamination display with an anti-reflective coating, P3 wide color gamut support and True Tone as well. In addition to the above, we should expect a faster processor and 4GB of RAM. So that is all about the iPad. We also have some reports about the iPad Pro, according to which the design seems to remain the same with few exceptions. The 12.9-inch model will be about 0.5mm thicker than the current model, which confirms the presence of a long-rumored mini LED display that would offer better display performance compared to traditional LCDs. However, the 11-inch model will not get the mini LED display and thus maintains the same dimensions as previous gen model. Another major change will be that the camera bump will be reduced. I mean, the overall camera bump remains, but the additional protrusion of an individual camera lens is no longer required, leaving a flat camera bump. And finally, there seems to be some changes to the design of the speaker. And that is all for now. For more updates, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.